What's going on everyone, it's Justin here, and today I've got a video showing you some of my top cases for the iPhone XR. So going by the theme of some of the crazy colors, that's why I'm dressed in kind of the multicolor Apple retro look with the background. But if you guys missed my full review, I'm going to leave a link to that down below where we kind of talked about the differences between the iPhone XR and XS and XS Max. If you guys didn't already, I have a giveaway of the iPhone XR running through the end of the year right now on the channel, so if you want to enter, just check the link down below. But just make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and also leave a comment down below, and follow me over on Instagram and Twitter as that's where I'm going to be announcing the winner. So the iPhone XR is one of Apple's most beautiful phones that they've made in a kind of different way with all of the colors, and I think some colors definitely look better than others. In my opinion, I love the black one as well as the blue one and the white one, but I think overall the blue one definitely looks the best, so you definitely want to protect it. So in some cases here, you do have kind of the clear look to it, whereas others just cover it up and make it look more minimal or simple. Apple's cases are normally very easy for me to recommend, but for the XR they didn't actually make one, which was kind of a surprise. So the first case that I have here is a Nomad leather case, and although you normally don't want to cover up the color of the beautiful iPhone, if you want more of a simpler look or a more professional look, if you're using it for business, then this case is the one to do it. There's a genuine Horian leather material on the back which comes in a few different colors, and I think the brown looks really good, but you do have to know with any genuine leather it will wear over time, which I personally don't really like, but I know a lot of people like that kind of weathered look. On the side you have a TPU bumper edge with a lip on the front, and the cutouts are perfect. They feel great, and the bottom is nice and covered, so this case for everyday use will give you very good protection. The case itself just feels very solid and well built with a good blend of materials, and it is drop tested up to 6 feet. So the next case that we have here is going to be a very popular option for anybody out there who is going to pick up a colored iPhone and wants to be able to see it, and that is from ESR. So this case actually has a 9H tempered glass back with TPU silicone on the side. The side has a soft touch feel which makes it shock resistant, and the 9H back is pretty scratch and crack resistant, but of course if you're going to be dropping your phone a lot, then this is definitely not going to be my first choice. It makes it look like your phone has no case on it whatsoever. If you want to protect the front of your device, ESR also makes a glass screen protector which is also 9H and very durable when it comes to scratches and cracks, and they've actually tested it to withstand up to 22 pounds of force. What I like about it though is that they've actually included a kit to install where you put the mold over your device, so as long as you clean your screen very nicely, I'm sure everyone is able to get a perfect installation as you can see here. The next one that I have here is from Qaddafi, and it's been a case that I've recommended for about a couple years now, and the reason why I like it so much is that in a lot of ways it's similar to a thin Apple silicone case, but at the same time it's even thinner while still giving you good protection, and the cutouts are once again perfect. The textured feel just adds a lot of grip, and although the lay on the table design isn't the biggest, there is still definitely a lip for regular surfaces. I just really like the texture on the back because it makes it much harder to drop your device. At just 0.9mm, this is probably the thinnest case that I'm going to feature in this video, so it gives you a nice original feel while giving you 2 meters of drop protection. The next one that we have here is probably the most durable one in this video, and that is the Ghosttech Atomic Slim 2. So Ghosttech makes a lot of good cases when it comes to durability at a good price, and this one has aluminum. It comes in many different colors and has a core design where it's a hybrid material. You have the hard TPU material on the inside that's surrounded by the aluminum, and the lip on the front is the largest of any case in this video. The back is polycarbonate, which allows you to still see the beauty of your iPhone XR because I'm sure, like I said before, if you picked a nice color, you're probably going to want to be able to see it at all times. I think for the price and for people who drop their phone a lot, then this is a great investment. Ghosttech also makes a lot of other good protective cases, but I think for the XR, the Atomic Slim 2 is my pick. So the next set of cases are from Casa Phi, and they come in a lot of different colors, are completely customizable, and most importantly offer a ton of protection. So with the holiday season coming up, if you want kind of a customized gift, then this is hands down the best option. The impact case has an absorbing material called Qaddafi that absorbs impact when you drop it on the corners, as you can see on the bumper here. And even with the lip on the front, the case itself is just 10.5mm thick and is military grade durability. When it comes to customizability though, you have so many options with this, whether it's adding your own photo, picking your own design, whether it's the clear, different colors, going with black or white on the sides, or even this kind of strange material here with my name on it. You can literally do anything you want, and their customized cases start at $25, and if you want 20% off, just use the code JUSTIN20, and make sure you check the link below for that. Like I said, for the holiday season, this is an excellent option, and a lot of times you have cases that look good, but just don't offer much protection, and I think in this case it has both. I would also like to give them a huge thanks for sponsoring this video. If you're not a fan of cases at all though, and just want to use a skin or change up the color of your iPhone XR if you get sick of it, then a great place to go is Dbrand. They have many different colors and textures for your device, and you can pick from them very easily. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave a link to that down below as well. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video of my top recommendations for cases for Apple's new colorful iPhone XR. And if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like and let me know what your favorite case is down below or favorite color of this phone, and I'll see you all in the next one.